Instead of setting up an actual pendulum, I found an online simulation of it. So I downloaded one and I created a simulation of what it was told in the lab. Like when it says 10 degrees, I moved the pendulum to 10 degrees. I set it to the length, and I kept the gravity and friction the same. And then I would come over here, click stopwatch, click that, start the stopwatch, click start. I count how many times it goes back and forth. Um, so like 10 times, it'll go back and forth 10 times. I record it on the stopwatch, record it in the chart, and the 28 degrees one seemed to be the uh, same times as well. I'm not too sure if that's actually the case. I got a little confused, but yeah. So that was how I recorded my times.